In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Runway ML password. If you've forgotten your password or just need to regain access to your account, don't worry. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish. First, open your web browser and go to the official Runway ML website at runwayml.com. On the home page, look for the Login button and click it. This takes you to the sign-in screen. Make sure you're on the legitimate site before entering any details. You should see a secure connection in your browser's address bar. On the sign-in page, locate the link that says Forgot Password. It usually appears right below or near the email and password fields. Click that link to begin the reset process. This option is specifically designed for situations where you can't recall your password or need to set a new one for security reasons. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your Runway account. Type the same email you originally used when creating your account, then submit the form. Take a moment to double-check for typos before sending. An incorrect email will prevent the reset message from reaching you. If you use a password manager, it can help confirm which email you registered with. After submitting, Runway will send a password reset email to that address. Open your inbox and look for the message from Runway. If you don't see it within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder and consider refreshing your inbox. Some mail providers may slightly delay delivery, so give it a moment if it doesn't appear right away. For security, don't forward this message to anyone and only click links you trust. When you open the email, click the reset link inside. This will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. A good guideline is to combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and aim for a length that's hard to guess but easy for you to manage. If you use a password manager, save it there so you don't lose it. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your new password and wait for the success confirmation. That's it. You've reset your Runway ML password using the official login page, the Forgot Password link, your account email, and the reset message sent to your inbox. Thanks for watching, and take care of your account security by keeping your credentials private and up to date.